Creating a website is something you can easily do by yourself without paying any crazy fees to a third party. I'm Shantek, and in this video I'll cover the first step, how to register a domain name through VentraIP. To get started, we'll head to ventraip.com.au or click the link in the description. Next, we'll enter the domain name that we want to register. So if you know the extension, you can type the whole thing in, so shantek.com.au, or if I'm not sure of the extension, I can just type in Shantek and it will give me some recommendations. This next screen will show if our domain name is unavailable or if we can add it to the cart. Or down the bottom we can click Show More to see more recommendations. Scroll through that list. Once you find a domain and an extension you're happy with, then we'll click Add to add it to our cart so we can purchase it. Then we'll click Next Step. On this next screen, you can click Edit Details to edit your contact details for your domain name. If you're already registered and logged in, you can use your existing account details. Otherwise, from that drop down, you can select Use New Details. Then in here, you can add all of your contact details for your domain name. Under that, we have the option to auto-renew, and ID protection will hide all of your contact details from anyone who runs a whois on your domain name. I already have an account and my details set up, so I'll use my existing account details and click Continue. Then we need to decide what we actually want to do with our website. So we have a few options and I'll cover both of them in separate videos. The first option is a free website through VIP sites using their website builder. Or you can sign up for a cPanel web hosting plan and that'll let you install things like WordPress. Then below that you have a few additional options for things like Google or Microsoft email accounts and security certificates, but we'll leave that for now. So just make sure you have the right one selected for what you want to use, then click Proceed to Cart. Then on this last screen, we'll just double check the domain and extension and the price are all correct, as well as any hosting plans we may have selected. In this top box here, you'll see all your personal details, as well as a few different payment options, so select the one you want to use, enter your details, and click Complete Order. Then you'll see an optional survey at the end. Once your domain has successfully been registered, you'll receive an email to let you know. Then when you click Proceed to Dashboard, you'll see your domain name listed on the VIP control panel. The status will show as active if it has been registered and is still within the expiry date, then an auto-renew toggle and a few additional settings for your domain, which we'll cover in a future video. But that gives you the basics you need to know to secure and register your own domain name. In future videos, we'll look at setting up your own website, using the free VIP site builder or setting up a cPanel hosting account and using WordPress. If you get stuck with any of this or there's something specific you'd like to see, then let me know in the comments.